Tired of your phone constantly dying? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate power solution for 2025. This incredible portable charger packs a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, letting you charge an iPhone 6 over 6 times. Imagine days of power without needing a wall outlet, perfect for travel, camping, or just busy everyday life. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device for optimized, lightning-fast charging. This means quicker recharges for your phone, tablet, or headphones, safely and efficiently. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, sharing the charge or keeping all your gadgets ready. It's built with premium materials for durability and offers Anker's renowned reliability, making it the best portable charger you can buy. For anyone needing dependable power on the go, this Anker power bank is an absolute game changer. Ready to upgrade your charging experience? Find the official Amazon link in the description below to learn more and grab yours. The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is truly an essential electronics accessory. Highly recommended.